Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome to my channel, new subscribers. It's Gifty and I'm the gift to your hair. On this channel, I help you achieve the look that you've always envisioned. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my periwinkle custom wig plus installment. Let's watch. Okay, we're going to do a wig. Voila. Okay. Let's put the wig on. Holy shit. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. YouTube.
She always makes me do these crazy colors. She's so inventive and so creative. Literally.
Ready?
Yeah. Wow, you should have got that shit on camera so I could cuss you out on camera.
Oh, damn. Okay. Y'all, Tammy gets so tired of me, but she loves me at the same time. So we're continuing on. Right now, I'm color blending the lace into her skin to match a lot better. I'm using foundation and a little tiny makeup brush just to color that in. Now, Shorty she's extra. I am doing her baby hairs and I've been practicing with these little curling irons or little flat irons to create the curly kind of baby hairs. They say this is supposed to give you like that more wispy, natural kind of look. I'm still testing it out. You know, I'm not much of a baby hair girl. But then I go in and use some regular eco styling gel to then lay that down properly, making sure that her edges are nice. I did 2 edges on each side, just something light and natural. And for the edges, I like to use my edge control brush and using the eco styling gel to create baby hairs. After that, I'm gonna go in and wrap her hair up so that the baby hair can melt down. Then we're gonna proceed to actually styling. This hair is so beautiful. Like, I just sat there. Originally, I was trying to create this blonde kind of look, but the blonde wasn't turning out. And I just told myself, you know what, Gifty, let your mind just run free and create whatever pops into your head. I went to the coloring station in the salon and went crazy. This is what I came up with. I don't even know what shade this is. I call it periwinkle. You're able to purchase this wig on my website for a recreation. Now for the styling, I added some layers into her hair and I'm doing big, bouncy, beautiful curls. I didn't part the hair because I wanted to give like this Hollywood curl vibes for this look. So I'm using my big body wave barrel to create bouncy body wave curls. To make sure my curls last for a very long time, I did pin curl the entire hair and then I allowed Tammy to go do her makeup, and this is the end of the video, y'all. This entire periwinkle wig turned out so beautiful. We did bouncy body wave curls, middle part. Please like for more.